Hi Alterra Home Loans, this is Mickey Hernandez from Cultural Outreach, continuing our tutorial on Instagram. So we're going to talk about notifications today. So how do you check notifications? Now, if you have your settings set, you can receive push notifications anytime someone comments, follows, sends you a message. So you're going to click up on the three little ellipses on the top right corner. That will give you your settings or options page. So you're going to scroll down to notifications, push notifications. For me, I have it set to vibrate whenever I get a notification. For likes, comments, likes and comments on photos of you, new followers, accepted follow requests, friends on Instagram, Instagram direct requests. So all of these different notifications, you can choose what you want. You can choose to only receive notifications from people you follow or from anyone and everyone. So right now I have it set so anytime anyone does any type of activity, I will receive a notification of that. So same with email and SMS. So I can set that up. If I don't want to receive anything from Instagram, then I can undo those. And those are mostly about reminder emails or product, new notifications, new updates, things like that. So that's in terms of the settings. Now, once I'm on my page, on the bottom, the little heart, that is where I'm going to check my notifications. You can see I have a little dot there. So I went ahead and used my other accounts to kind of do a test of this. Look, I have a few new people following me. That person, I actually don't know, but the Mo Mickey one, that is the test that I made. So this is where you can see if people follow you, if they send a comment, anything like that. And then also for following, you can check out the activity of people that you follow and what they're up to. So this would show up by looking at, more people once you start following people. But for you, that's how you check those notifications. So there is another type of notification that you can look at besides likes and people who are following you. You can also check your inbox or direct messages, also known as DMs. So if you go to your home page, you can see in the top right corner that there is a little inbox. So, oh look, I have a message. So offline, what I did is I decided to follow back, someone who had messaged me. So we are now following each other. So I'm able to see their message because we follow each other. So I can click in there. I can type a message back, hi, or whatever. I can send a photo by clicking on the little mountain icon there. I can just send a heart that counts as a like. I can double tap to like their message that they sent me. Or on the far left side, the blue camera, that allows you to take a photo or take a video right now, and then you can send it to them that way. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my messages. Now I want you to notice that it says one request. Now if someone sends you a message and you are not following them, it will show up as a request. You won't automatically see it in your inbox. That's how my notifications are set up automatically, and so yours will be set up that way. You can change the permissions by going through the process that we did earlier. But to look at the request, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to say who it's from. Now, I can click on it. I can read it to say allow or decline. If it's someone that I don't recognize, I would decline it. Or if it kind of looks like a bot, I would decline it. If it's someone that I'm interested, in hearing what they have to say or their message, I would click allow. And then I could also take a look at their page and be like, oh, okay, cool. They seem great. And then go back and decide to respond if I want to. That is how you check your notifications. So quick recap, to look at any likes or people that follow you, You can see that by clicking on the little page with the heart, and you'll also see a little red bubble underneath. And then on your home page, you can take a look at the little envelope on top. If you have a message, it will be blue, and that will be your inbox. And that's pretty much all you need to know right now about notifications.